Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. Today is the day, y'all. The long awaited party. All these DIYs I've been doing over the last 2 months, I guess. It's all about to come into play right now. However, you're not going to see it because guess what? Your girl was busy. It is busy when you are conducting and hosting a party, especially for a college graduation. I will say I was blown away with all the love and support that my daughter received on this day. It was just amazing. If you are new here, my name is Kim, K-Y-M. I do videos pertaining to home life. I do DIYs, projects, repairs, cleaning, cooking, videos pertaining to home life, home managing. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out, show the like button some love, and leave me a comment down below so that I know that you're here. It was really hard trying to book this space because we didn't know what it looked like. We only saw the pictures online and people do different things in different spaces, but this space was absolutely gorgeous. I really wish I was able to tour or give you a tour, but again, I was extremely busy. I felt like I was playing ping pong. I was going from one place to the next, back to that place again. It was a lot. The day after the party was the actual graduation. This is the Ohio State University Stadium. This is called the Shoe. When I tell you your girl got a lot of steps in, I got a lot of steps in, coming all the way to the top to sit basically. It wasn't like the tippy top, but it was the top, okay? The best advice that I can give you if you ever decide to come here is do not drink, okay? Because you will fall and it's like straight down. It's scary. And we have spotted the beautiful graduate.
There she is! There she is! There she is. Good job, Bree. We love you.
So I may or may not have been crying in that last clip right there. Mind your business, okay? This girl is a hard worker. She has graduated. This is her second degree from the Ohio State University. I am extremely proud. Here are some pictures of the festivities. Only a few pictures because I didn't get people's permission. So now I'm just going to take you along so that you can see exactly what we did for that week because I did have a few days off and also that following weekend, which was Mother's Day, I believe. Bree is my oldest daughter and she got a lot of flowers. So I'm trying to arrange these flowers. It's not going to be pretty or anything like that. I just don't want them to, pass away. I don't know if I can say that other word on YouTube. I don't want them to pass away. So I'm just simply putting them into these vases. Again, she got so many flowers, so I'm overstuffing the vases because we have run out of vases now. After the party, everyone came over to my house. So my daughters asked me what I wanted for Mother's Day. And I'm like, that refrigerator definitely needs to be cleaned out because we did have some leftovers that we stuffed in the refrigerator. And anyone who was hungry was more than welcome to go into the refrigerator, get the food out. And if y'all know me, I am a germaphobe and I have OCD, okay? So I just wanted to make sure that my refrigerator got cleaned out. And I was very excited because they hooked your girl up and I filmed it. Let me know how you're doing below in the comments. Have any of you started your beautiful flower gardens yet? I haven't just yet because your girl been busy, okay? But I will say the perennials are coming up and they're looking really pretty. I actually had a bloom. It was a peony bloom and it's gone already. It literally lasted like 3 days, but I was glad to get a video of it. So if you have not checked out my shorts videos, please be sure to do so you can see how beautiful she was in all of her glory. I do plan to plant some cilantro this year because I use cilantro all of the time. If you are in my family, you already know what I'm going to follow that up with saying, but I'm not going to say it on YouTube because people don't get my joking manner for some reason. Well, people that have been here for a while do, but other people are like, okay, you're not funny. Girl, yes, I am. Okay, I am. I wanted to be sure to get this close up of how dirty the refrigerator is because my house, basically everything in the house is white, so everything looks clean. So this is for my cousin Courtney. Everything ain't clean. You see how dirty that refrigerator looked when I got the close up. So thank you for reminding me. I needed to make sure I got close ups of everything. Okay, so back to my flower garden. And I do plan on also planting marigolds. I plant those every year because it keeps like the mosquitoes and all those nasty bugs away that I don't want to deal with. And I also want to see what the birds bless me with this year, because if you were around for last year, there was some flowers that came up that I had no idea where they came from. And then I had to think about it, like birds do love this area. So they blessed me with planting, from there. Yeah. And I had some beautiful flowers. And here's the after shot of what the refrigerator looks like on where the condiments go. And it looks so good. They really did a good job and I'm very, very happy. I'm a person that's very easily pleased, which is why I was like, the only thing I really want for Mother's Day is for you to clean out the refrigerator. However, they did take me to have Mexican, and also my daughter ordered me a bracelet that I've been wanting. I hope all of you mothers, aunties, grandmas, and the dads that have stepped in as a mom, I hope all of y'all had a great Mother's Day. Let me know if you enjoy Mexican food. We like authentic Mexican food. We do not go to the big chains. We go to the hole in the walls. Everybody in there, we typically go to the same two all the time. Everybody in there already knows us. They're so friendly. One of the restaurants, they already know what I want. I don't even have to tell them half the time. So yeah, you'll have to let me know what your favorite thing to eat at a Mexican joint is. Now, we did have some leftovers that we had to get rid of, which kind of makes me sad. I don't really like to throw away food, but again, we had an overabundance of food. So it was kind of like, there's nothing you can really do about it. But here is what the refrigerator is looking like. It's time to go grocery shopping. This is the best time to clean out your refrigerator because there's not a lot of stuff in there. And for us, we are mainly freezer people. Everything's in the freezer for us.
From when we started off, now we're just like, think it's time to call it quit. Think it's time to call. Take me back to Mexico, that Cancun sun would turn the sun, were high on me, wanted to vibe with.
Yes, my daughter swept the entire floor, but check out this bug. She was like, Mom, there is a bug and I am not trying to hold on to it. I wasn't able to get her doing the entire floor because I think I had went outside for something. Shout out to P-Dub Stuff. If you are not following her here on YouTube, I'm going to need for you to go follow her. As soon as you are finished watching this video, I will be sure to tag her. She gifted me with this shark steamer. And it's so funny because my husband and I had been talking about purchasing a steam mop for like a year and I just never got around to it. So I feel so honored and so blessed, and thank you so much. It works so good. And I actually mop my floors even more often now. I had been doing it once a week and I kept saying I need to do it more than once a week. So now I've been doing it twice a week because I really love this steam mop.
Now we're just like, think it's time to call it quit. Think it's time to call. Take me back to Mexico, that Cancun sun would turn the sun, were high on me, wanted to vibe with me. Take me back to Mexico, that Cancun sun would turn the sun, were high on me, wanted to vibe with me.
So for those of you who think you can eat off my floor because my house is so clean, look at this. Look at this. I would never suggest you eat off my floor. Even though we don't wear our shoes in the house, you forget that I live in a dust bucket. Everything from the top falls down and it's extremely dirty, which is why I also said I need to make sure that I'm mopping more than once a week because that's just gross. So let me educate you on something. The best way to keep up with this cloth, because when you purchase these steam mops, they only give you 2 cloths. Before you throw it in the washer, you want to do a pre-wash. For me, I always like to work smart and not hard. So I'm going to use this Dawn Power Wash and some vinegar to get this cleaned off. And it does a really good job.
Are you the same? Yeah. Are you the same? Yeah. an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I.
After this rinse, I'm going to spray some more Dawn Power Wash on here with some vinegar, and I'm going to let it set before I actually rinse it off. And it comes really clean. Again, this is a pre-wash before you throw it in the washer. You just want it to last a little bit longer and not be so brown and so dingy looking. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for always taking the time out to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. I hope you all have an amazing day, an amazing week, an amazing month. Make sure you speak life into yourself. Make sure you're looking in that mirror and telling yourself, I am worthy. I am enough. Because this world that we live in is not the best place, right? And when we go out in these streets, we hear so much negativity. So that was your before, here's your after, and it looks so much better. Again, thank you for being here, and I appreciate you.
Cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same?